How did it survive without change for centuries? Introduction. Throughout history, books have changed. They were rewritten. Their original copies were lost, and their narratives evolved. Yet there is one book whose followers claim has remained preserved without change for more than 14 centuries. That book is the Quran. So what is the Quran? And why do Muslims believe it has never been altered throughout history? Did you know that the Quran read today is the very same text recited in the 7th century? Not a translation, not a rewritten version, but the original text itself. So how can a book preserve its words in a world without printing presses or modern methods of preservation? What is the Quran? The Quran is the central religious text of Islam. Muslims believe it is the Word of God, revealed to the Prophet Muhammad over a period of approximately 23 years. From a historical perspective, however, the Quran is also a text that emerged in a strongly oral culture, where memorization and recitation were the primary methods of preserving knowledge. Why has the Quran never changed? 1. Collective oral preservation. From the very beginning, the Quran was not only a book to be read, but a text to be memorized entirely. Thousands of people memorized the same text and recited it daily in prayers and public gatherings. This collective transmission made any change nearly impossible without being immediately noticed. Endpoint. D. Early written documentation. Alongside memorization, the Quran was written down during the lifetime of Muhammad himself by a group of scribes. Only a few years after his death, the text was compiled into a single manuscript and distributed to different regions to ensure consistency and prevent variation. Another, standardization and wide distribution. By the mid-7th century, one official version of the Quranic text was adopted, the same version that is read today. This early standardization occurred long before any later attempts at alteration or addition. What does history say? Ancient Quranic manuscripts, such as the Sanaa manuscripts and the Birmingham manuscripts, date back to the earliest centuries of Islam. When these manuscripts are compared with the modern Quran, they show a remarkable textual consistency in both content and structure. Conclusion. Whether you view the Quran as a religious book or as a historical text, the way it was preserved remains a unique case in history. And this is why Muslims are confident that the Quran reached them exactly as it was first revealed. If this video offered you a new perspective or answered a question you've long wondered about, we invite you to follow the Legends of the Quran, where we explore Islam with clarity, rational discussion, and without prejudice. Don't forget to like the video and share it with those interested in history, religions, and understanding one another.